Shiba Inu is crashing, but that will not be the case for much longer. Here's why. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video, guys. We're talking about Shiba Inu today. And of course, real quick, guys, let us know in the comments below if you're still holding Shiba Inu Coin, how many tokens you're holding, what you feel about the coin, if you like it, if you dislike it. I want to know all your guys' opinions because oftentimes you have some really amazing takes down in the comments below. It's awesome to communicate with you guys and talk with the just vast amount of people in this community and just the huge amount of support that we receive on all these videos, guys, by you, the viewer, and the army, of course, as well, is always awesome to see either way. But let's just get right into it, guys. Let's talk about it. So Shiba Inu continues to crash. Will promise good news, bring good fortunes for Shib army. This is a Bazinga article, so I want to keep that clear because we knew that some of these larger, more kind of, I guess you could say, mainstream investing news sources do tend to be a little bit biased on their reporting, and I do want to totally disclose that. I'm going to point out any biases that I come across or find, and that way you guys are aware of them as much as I'm aware of them, and that way there's no confusion about what's going on, if there's any kind of subtext or whatever. You guys know what I mean. Let's keep reading though, and let's see what they have to say. So Shiba Inu traded 3.8% lower at 4296. It has dropped a little bit more since then. It's at the 41221 level now, over 24 hours late Monday night. What's moving? The self-described Dogecoin's moving a little bit and fall, but as you can see, this is just kind of a quick recap. I don't want to kind of get too much into the nitty-gritty of that, but let's talk about why is it moving. So Shib moved lower in tandem with Doge as the global cryptocurrency market cap dropped 0.8% to 2.55 trillion over 24 hours. Shib's mentions on Twitter exceeded those on Doge, and Shib attracted over 2,603 tweets, while Doge was only mentioned like 2,000 times, as per, that's again, CoinTrends data is saying that. Shib was the fourth mentioned coin on Twitter, and the token lagged behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Velas. Again, still very, very popular coin, very talked about on most social media platforms. And here's what's interesting, right? So what's next? On Monday, Shiba Kasama, a self-described pseudonymous volunteer project lead of Shiba Inu, said he would have good news for the Shib army this week. Shib fans labeled themselves as the Shib army online. That's just kind of a weird descriptor. But as you can see, here's the tweet, guys, and we can even pull this up on Twitter so we can get a better view of it, right? So Shib Twitter account verified, everything, right? Everything's real. Shiba Kasama said, all that said, I'll have good news for the Shib army this week, going back to quiet mode to finish up. 23 hours ago, guys, that was tweeted. And again, people are worried, people are concerned, right? All the comments are like, oh my God, Shib, right? But at the end of the day, guys, it looks like there's something going on behind the scenes. Satoshi is working on that. We don't know, right? But what's really exciting about this is that, I mean, this could be big, right? This could potentially be something new as far as a partnership goes. This could potentially be something new concerning the Shibarium blockchain that we haven't really heard much about yet. And it's been kind of in the works for a long time now. Or we have a new burn that could possibly be announced. Again, there's a million things that this could be, but I do think this is very interesting. Shatoshi's tweet was retweeted by the official Shib token with the eyes emoji that pointed there, right there. Interesting. Shiba Inu issued a warning to its investors Monday related to a Telegram scam. Warned it following on Twitter that it was not offering any promotions, including airdrops, bonuses, giveaways. That's another little kind of scam that's been going on Twitter. Make sure you guys are careful of that. If you guys are following any Shiba Inu Twitter accounts, there is a scam trying to go around trying to get not only your Shiba Inu, but your hard-earned money as well. So just be aware of that, guys, and don't obviously give money to random people on the internet, of course, unless obviously there's like some actual vetted way of doing that, but either way, complicated nonetheless. But guys, again, a lot of you guys are probably worried. You're a little bit concerned about, hey, where is this coin going? Are we going to continue to dip? Is this the end? Do I need to sell? Do I need to buy? What's going on? Again, if you look at the RSI, I touched on this in the previous video that I made today. But again, I just want to say that I am buying at this level, guys. The RSI is peaking below the 30 level, which typically means that a crypto or stock is, for the most part, done being overbought or oversold, rather, in this case oversold. Typically this is usually marking around the end of the selling. It doesn't always in that way, it doesn't always have to be that case, but typically when you look historically at what this coin has done, that kind of tends to be the case, right? We see the RSI below the level, that level, and we see a nice little bounce back. Now, again, as far as, oh man, I love ads, guys. I really got to log in one of these days, so I stopped getting these in the middle of videos. Anyways, as far as my price target goes, again, I think that if we can bounce off this low, I do see us bouncing to around the 4.3 to 4.40 level, maybe higher if we get some real momentum going from a whale or from some large buy of this crypto. But again, for now, we're just going to have to kind of hold out and wait this dip out, guys. Unfortunately, just kind of the way it goes, guys. Now, what I want to talk about too, this is a very kind of interesting article that I just thought would be kind of cool to read, is Shiba Inu posted the greatest increase in value in popularity in 2021. Shiba Inu recorded the greatest increase. Okay, that's just basically what they said, right? So Shiba Inu, the meme cryptocurrency, I wouldn't call it a meme cryptocurrency. I don't think that's very nice. I think, again, Shiba Inu has built up such a amazing, vast, vibrant community over the last couple of years that I really don't think it's, well, one, right to call it a meme coin. I think this is much more than a meme coin now. More than ever. But as you can see, record high last month saw the greatest increase in both value and popularity in 2021. Analysts at Broker Chooser said that the Shiba Inu coin had by far the greatest increase when it came to price, despite the fact that the actual price of an individual coin is quite low. And that's kind of what's so interesting, guys, is the fact that if you were to buy $1,000 worth of Shiba Inu, I believe it was just about a year ago, right at the beginning of 2021, around January, kind of around there, you would be a billionaire. Right now, you would be a billionaire. This coin has done millions of percent in gain just over this last year. And I mean, look at the charts. The charts don't lie, right? I mean, this is incredible. This is something that we have never seen before with any type of coin. And it's one of the reasons why I continue to stay so bullish on this coin, despite the dips, despite everything else, the FUD, the random stuff that happens every day in the market. There's so much more to this coin than meets the eye. And I really think that people are going to start waking up and seeing that very soon once we have our next big rally. And the next big rally seems to be very close, guys. There's an energy in the air. And I mean, again, if you don't want to work off the vibe, I had some technical analysis. I have it all over this channel. I talk about it in almost every video. But again, even if you just look at what people are talking about online right now, and we can even go to the Shiba Inu and the kind of Twitter account, right? The news Twitter account, and you can check the replies to all these tweets too. But look at, let's see, where can I find it? Here we go. Big run is coming. Be ready, holders. A lot of people are posting about this belief. Shib will go 750% in the next week. Keep your eyes on it. Is Shib going to have a big run in the next 7 days? And again, a lot of people, this is not just these couple of Twitter accounts, a lot of people are saying this, guys. This is so interesting because why is it? There's something in the air. There's some kind of vibe that's being put off right now that might be the key to the next big run. People feel it. It's something. There's something there. There's something holdable and palpable that it's almost indescribable what is going on right now in the streets as far as Shiba Inu is concerned. And I really do think there is a point there. I think there is something going on that we are not fully aware of or understanding yet, but there might be a room for a big rally coming soon, guys. And I say that not as a kind of shilty, like, oh, whatever, like I'm saying that that's how I feel. That's how people feel. That's how the general consensus of people feels. Let me know in the comments below if you guys share that same sentiment. I would love to know either way, guys. It's always awesome to see kind of some of your opinions and everything in between, guys. But other than that, guys, again, I'm going to keep holding. I'm holding long term. I'm buying the dips today. I don't know what you guys are doing, but again, let me know in the comments below. Either way, it's always awesome to see what you guys do end up doing. But I still am very bullish long-term on this coin. Still a long-term hold for me, and I think it always will be until it hits some crazy price target, right? Like $1 or a cent. But again, I do think that is possible in the near or far future. Either way, I'm holding through it all. Let me know what you guys do in the comments below. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.